I'm now talking with Dr. Matt Crutch from Adult and Pediatric Dental Care. We're talking about teeth whitening. One of the things that Adult and Pediatric Dental Care is known for over the last, half century, and that is innovations. You've got the laser dentistry, which is what we're looking at right here. But you've also had a lot of advancement with the teeth whitening. Tell me about that. We
have had a lot of advancement. It used to be, years ago, you put the stuff in trays and you put it on your teeth and you had to hold it in your mouth for hours at a time. And that was peroxide. And basically there's all kinds of different concentrations of peroxide. Then they basically have come to strips, which everybody sees on TV, and they make a whole different level of strength, the strips, and essentially they work on the kind of the same thing, but it's more of a gel that sits on the teeth, and results on those are not really all too bad. But some of the more difficult stains or the deeper bad colors that most people think, the yellows and some of the brownie colors, were tough to get with those. So what's happened now is they actually use a dental laser to get the color out of your teeth. And basically what they do is that we can do this in about 45 minutes. What we do is we put on a pigment, a pigmented gel on the teeth, and the laser is actually attracted to pigment. And so the laser energy is absorbed by the pigment in the teeth as well as the bleach activating solution, and it brings up the shade considerably. So it works quite well with very little sensitivity, and it's quick. And so people like it, and it's very affordable.
Well, and that's the big thing too, is, quick, affordable, and I'm sure there's a lot more people walking out of here with a big old smile on their face.
Yeah, and it is a nice feeling when you kind of get it done quickly. You go from this to, a light shade right away, rather than kind of looking in the mirror over a whole week's worth of time saying, geez, am I changing, am I changing? It's pretty easy and dramatic to see the difference from when you use the laser.
All right, Matt, thanks for being with us.
Hey, thanks, Tim.
All right, talking about teeth whitening with Dr. Matt Crutch at Adult and Pediatric Dental Care.